see there's the candle is lit. So if you put a balloon on top, it would pop, right? See? So now, if you don't know what ignition temperature means, it means like how much temperature you need to burn something. Like paper has a low ignition temperature and wood has a high ignition temperature. So a regular balloon has low ignition temperature, but if you add water inside, the ignition temperature goes very high. And the fizzing happens because when vinegar reacts with baking soda to produce carbon dioxide, the bubbles push the liquid out, just like pressure pushes magma out of a real volcano. Open and close circuits and how electricity flows. So now you can play it, and like if you complete it, you will get a prize chocolate.
You're nominated.
So
You get to nominate it.
Better option was the person gets an electric shock.
Like when acid and baking soda are like mixing, so like they're making carbon dioxide.
So when we put water, like the spoon in the water, the spoon will get silver.
It's silver. And when we
And
take
when we
it out,
take it out,
it's black.
It's black again.
and it's
Is it working? Yeah, it's